Next is the AutoSocial Agent section. The AutoSocial Agent works like an AI-powered social assistant. Here you can simply type a prompt based on what you want to create. For example, you can say, create an image explaining the need for digital marketing. Once you submit the prompt, the agent instantly generates a high-quality creative for you. As you can see on the screen, AutoSocial has created a professional marketing image that highlights key benefits like increased reach, higher engagement, and better ROI. This content is generated according to your brand persona and can be used directly for posts, campaigns, or promotions. Similarly, you can ask the agent to generate reels, posters, or other creatives just by changing the prompt. The AutoSocial Agent makes content creation fast, simple, and fully automated without needing any design or editing skills. If you want to make changes, you can easily edit the poster from here. Just choose what you want to improve, such as text, background, logo, layout, or colors. Describe the change, and AutoSocial will update the design for you instantly.